It's been a while since you've seen my beautiful face, so I'm here to bless y'all. That was a still for the video. So the tools for this job you guys are gonna need is a 12mm, 14mm, 17mm wrench, an extension, and a ratchet of your choosing. First, you're gonna need to jack up your car and remove the wheel. After you remove the wheel, you're going to need to take off the brake line, which is two 12mm bolts. Oh, Peepa family, your boy got some Skunk 2 suspension up in here. Another thing, throw bolts in there. All right. So you don't need to worry about taking this off. Just get that brake line. We're gonna take this cotter pin out. Cotter pin out. That's a boot ass cotter pin. Look at this thing. So now we're gonna remove this. Now we have to separate the ball joint from the, I guess, the arm. Shit out of it till it separates. And boom, this is honestly the hardest part. Now what we got to do is get the shock fork off from the strut assembly. Let's see if I can bless y'all real quick. Let's hope my phone don't drop. All right, so yeah, just loosen it. After you get this out, next thing you got to do is this right here. You're gonna want to unbolt that. This attaches the shock fork to the strut assembly. This will make it easier removing the strut. It's a 14mm. Let's see if I'm right. After you get done, I'm just gonna pull this little fucker out or drop it. Throw it. And now our shock fork is separated from the strut assembly. Alright, once we got those out, just pull the shock straight down. And here's our shock. Now we just take off these two 17mm and it will be out. Alright, so I loosened up those two. And now you just pull down. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hammer this little thing down. This is a pain to get in there. There we go. Just pull it out. And here we are. Here's what I was telling you guys, see? It's like a little bit off level. It's just so boot. Like honestly, it was not worth the 40 bucks I paid for these. I mean, they're not even Skunk 2s, like, I don't know. So, the installation is the reverse process of this. So what you'd want to do is put this back in, bolt it up, put the strut back in, bolt the strut up, put the shock fork over the axle, bolt up the shock fork to the strut, bolt the bottom of the shock fork to the lower control arm, bolt up the brake line, get the ball joint into the arm, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know what you guys would like to see. I'm gonna do more vlogs. I'm gonna show you guys more tutorials. So thank you for subscribing. It's been your boy Rio.